Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I have been receiving lots of comments whether the HTC 10 is worth buying in 2018 or not. So I decided to make this video. Without further ado, let's begin. Though the HTC 10 was launched in 2016, it still has decent specs with a Snapdragon 820 quad-core CPU and Adreno 530 GPU, 4GB of RAM, which is enough to run applications without any glitches, and an internal memory of 32GB, which can be expanded via microSD card up to 512GB. It also runs on Android 8.0. Build quality is amazing. It's metal built, which means it can age pretty well, and it can also take minor drops without extreme damage. The screen is a 2K 5.2 inch with resolution of 1440 by 2560, giving it a PPI of 565 and an aspect ratio of 16:9. Since the screen technology is Super LCD 5, the colors produced from the screen is actually accurate and does not oversaturate colors. With 565 PPI, the text produced is also pretty sharp. Let's talk a bit about the camera and audio quality. The 12-megapixel rear camera produces amazing photos, whether in low light or broad daylight, thanks to the OIS. It is also capable of 4K video recording up to 30 FPS. By the way, the front 5-megapixel camera is also equipped with OIS. Since HTC 10 is packed with 24-bit high-res audio recorder, it's an amazing phone for vlogging as well. The inbuilt Hi-Fi makes the sound quality even better than current flagships. HTC usually uses HTC Sense. This is a light skin, hence the general performance is really good. Opening applications just flies, so is switching between apps. They also added a theme store if you want to pimp up your phone. After updating to Android 8.0, which could probably be the last update you'll receive with the HTC 10, the battery took a hit. Lasting a full day is not that easy unless you are a light user. This is the worst part about the phone. The phone overall is good with some downsides. If you're willing to live with the low battery endurance, then I will recommend it, since the price has really gone down. Before purchasing though, I would advise you to check for other alternatives like the OnePlus line. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.